Okay, this one is 3.10 using slope as a rate. So you're going to see a lot of different problems about interpreting these. What do these graphs mean? What do they tell us? These are things you're going to see in real life. Maybe you don't know what they mean. So this first one says the graph below displays the amount of music a download store customer pays per month. Okay, so what does the y-intercept indicate? Well, we see that here are their songs purchased. So the y-intercept would have 0 songs purchased with $10 in monthly cost. So I could go ahead and mark out these $2 down here because that's not the y-intercept. This $2 is saying right here $2 for 2 songs. Okay. But here it says $10 is the cost before they ever buy a song. They bought 0 songs for $10. So I would say the cost of a song is $10. Nope, that's wrong. I would say the base subscription fee is that $10. Look at this one. The graph below shows the weight of a bucket as it is filled with sand. So, when the amount of sand is 0, how much does the bucket weigh? Well, if we go up, the y-intercept is how much the empty bucket weighs. It's between 0 and 2, which makes it 1 pound. Now let's look at this one. The graph below shows the monthly cost of a long-distance calling plan. What does the slope of the graph represent? Okay, so remember we talked about this right here being the y-intercept. That's where the plan begins. So when you've used 0 minutes, you have to pay $5. Now, that's not the slope though. That was the y-intercept. So the slope is, okay, I start at $5. Up here, I hit $6 when I've used 5 minutes. So I go up $1 when I use 5 minutes. So would the slope be the cost of 0 minutes of calls? Well, no, we talked about that. That's the y-intercept. Is that the cost per additional minutes of long-distance calls? Maybe. Let's keep going. The total cost of long-distance calls? Well, no, because that is the y value, because we'd have to add the initial cost for it to be the total. And the number of minutes $1 can buy. Well, we found out $1 can buy 5 minutes, but what about after that? It doesn't tell us anything about where it keeps on going. So I would say the cost per additional minutes of long-distance calls. Okay, and our last one. The graph below shows the handling fee a company charges based on the weight of a package. According to the graph, which of the following statements is true? A package that weighs less than 10 pounds has a $10 handling fee. Well, here's 10 pounds right here because the weight is on the bottom. Here's 10. How much is the handling fee? Well, it's 0. So this one's not right because it says $10. And it's okay. I like to cross these off because I know that's not the answer. Any that could be, notice I put a little dash over here. It could be our answer. We just need to keep looking. Okay, G, the handling fee increases $1 for every 10 pounds. Well, let's see. Okay. Increases $1 for every 10 pounds. So we're at 10 pounds. We go to 20. Well, halfway between 0 and 50, that's $25. That's not $1. So let's mark that one out. The handling fee increases $10 for every 1 pound. Well, let's see. Okay, if something is 20 pounds, let's see, there we go. Okay, we've got rise is 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 150 over 50, which would make it 3. So it's $3 per pound. It would not be $10 per pound. There is no handling fee for packages that weigh less than 10 pounds. Well, is that true? 10 pounds or less? Yes, that handling fee is nothing. So that one would be correct.